So I'm Shrida, I'm the CEO and co-founder of TAC. TAC is an acronym for the Ayurveda company. We do high performance Ayurveda for millennials and Gen Z, and we sell both online and offline. You can order us from our website www.theayurvedaco.com, and you can also find us in 10 minutes on quick commerce platforms like Blinkit, Zepto, Instamart, Minutes, everywhere. It was an absolutely wonderful session wherein we talked about what leads to the starting of a brand. We've been first time entrepreneurs, first generation entrepreneurs, and this is the first venture. I think we had a very heartfelt conversation wherein the questions were very immersive. We talked about the changing consumer behavior, the changes in the Indian distribution ecosystem, particularly retail, how the e-commerce and the overall FMCG ecosystem has been evolving. Another part was very interesting was around fundraisers. I think the overall audience, their participation is what made it successful as for me. So back in the day when we started, there weren't as many forums, and when you visit exhibitions and events like these, even before visiting the actual factory and the setups of the contract manufacturers, you get to understand their offerings, their certifications, and then you can actually filter it down to the most relevant ones. So kudos to such initiatives. And this is not my first time at this event. We've been regular visitors, and we look forward to attending more of such events and contributing to the ecosystem going forward. I think resilience and the fact that even if it's a great moment or a moment when you're not feeling the best about yourself, this too shall pass. And focus on the larger picture. Focus on trying to learn from what this situation is trying to teach you, instead of getting bogged down by that particular problem in the moment. I think entrepreneurship's second name has to be resilience and learning. Anybody who is not adaptive, who is not flexible in an ecosystem which is so fast evolving, and we Indians are hungry to learn, hungry to evolve and adapt, businesses will not survive. So adaptability, resilience, and always learning is something that I would encourage everybody to follow. I only wish that it reaches greater heights and becomes bigger and reaches global scale, if it already isn't at. I think giving more information before people start attending the event, having incorporating technology to know more about the facilities, to know more about the overall certifications, compliances of respective presenters would help the buyer make a more informed decision. I think there could also be a portal wherein all the presenters could put in their queries, all the attendees could put in their queries, and then follow it up at later stages. That would make the entire process of follow-ups and closing the loop very easy. So I hope in times to come we use a phygital mode wherein in addition to this physical setup that we are at, we also incorporate technology and ensure that high quality leads get converted. I felt it was very personal and heartfelt because I remember attending such events. So when we started, we didn't have lot many connects in the ecosystem to find out the right kind of contract manufacturers, and we used to attend a lot of events to find out because initially, in the initial days you have restrictions on your minimum order quantities, then you want certain formulations, certain certifications, etc. Being a part of CMPL has exposed us and provided that accessibility, wherein you in one single platform, in one single stage, you find numerous contract manufacturers, and not just for contract manufacturing of the finished product, but also packaging partners. So that has been and many of the partners that we already work with, some of them I found over here. What I felt very interesting about is the kind of ecosystem building up that you guys have now done with enablers like Shiprocket, enablers like Export Circle, and couple more. So that is just bringing the entire startup ecosystem with the manufacturing ecosystem together, and let's hope it continues to grow in future.